good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when the mind gains ocean's depth. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a silence in the ocean that does not fear the storm. There is a stillness in the ocean that holds every motion within it. At the surface, waves rise, collide, and disappear, yet beneath an unbroken calm continues its timeless rhythm. When the human mind gains such depth, it no longer drifts with every passing current of thought or emotion. It listens, observes, and responds from the quiet depth within. The ocean and the mind share the same cosmic design. Both are alive, both are instruments of balance, and both are meant to remain in communion with the intelligence that created them. The ocean reflects the cosmos through its tides. The mind reflects it through awareness. Each, when aligned with its true rhythm, becomes a mirror of creation's harmony. In science, the ocean's depth regulates the planet's rhythm. It absorbs heat, sustains balance, and nourishes life unseen. Science also reveals that the human brain, like the ocean, is a dynamic field of energy and rhythm. Billions of neurons pulse in patterns, exchanging waves of information, much like oceanic currents carrying life. A shallow mind moves with every ripple of thought, emotion, perception, and circumstance. It seeks validation, fears uncertainty, and mistakes noise for direction. But a deep mind listens before it speaks, observes before it acts, and responds from stillness, not from storm. This is not imagination. It is neurobiology. Resilience, clarity, and creativity arise when neural rhythms find order, just as the ocean regains balance after a storm. The sages called this sthit prajna, a state of unwavering wisdom where cultivating calmness becomes life's finest mastery. Psychology calls it cognitive coherence. Spirituality calls it inner equilibrium. All describe the same truth, that balance is born in depth, not in distance. Depth arises when awareness expands beyond immediate gain and loss, beyond praise or blame. It is not indifference, it is inclusion, the capacity to embrace contradiction and yet remain at peace. In such awareness, the mind stops struggling against the flow and begins to move in harmony with the larger intelligence of existence. What's the way forward? To cultivate such depth, one must learn the art of diving deep within, through reflection, through silence, through alignment. Every thought that is examined without judgment, every emotion that is felt without attachment becomes a gateway to greater stillness. Meditation, contemplation, or simply the discipline of listening deeply, all are ways to dissolve the turbulence of the surface. As the ocean finds strength in its depth and flow, the mind too finds its strength while being in the state of calmness and consciousness. When intent is pure and perception widened, life begins to enter the state of communion and resonance with the divine cosmic intelligence, which then helps guide its flow. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, a deep mind does not resist the storm. It understands it. It knows that every wave is temporary and every tide has its purpose. Depth turns reaction into reflection, fear into faith, and isolation into insight. When the mind gains ocean's depth, awareness becomes compassion and thought becomes light. As Lord Krishna reminds in the revered Bhagavad Gita, just as the vast ocean remains undisturbed, though rivers flow into it, so too the one who realizes truth remains calm amid all desires. When the mind mirrors the ocean, steady beneath change, limitless in understanding, and luminous in stillness, then the human spirit discovers what it was always meant to be. Not a wave upon the surface, but the depth that sustains them all. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.